Leonardo AI is changing the game for faceless YouTube channels. People are making thousands every month without ever showing their face. And with AI tools in 2025, it's easier than ever to start. I honestly believe if you're not jumping into YouTube automation now, you're missing out on one of the biggest opportunities online. The best part? You don't need much money, or any at all, to launch a channel. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to pick the right niche, set up your channel, create videos with AI, and optimize everything for growth. Let's start. Picking the perfect niche. Picking the right niche can feel overwhelming when you're starting out, but here's the good news. I've already done the hard research for you. I found a niche that's absolutely exploding on YouTube right now, and the numbers speak for themselves. One channel I studied has videos hitting 2 million, 1.4 million, and 1.2 million views back to back. It's not luck. Their entire channel is blowing up. In just a single month, they pulled in over 200,000 new subscribers, racked up 16 million views, and made around $20,000. Yes, 20 grand in 1 month from faceless videos. And it's not just them. Another creator posted 2 weeks ago and already hit nearly 600,000 views. Someone else crossed 400,000 in 3 weeks. Another reached 700,000 in just a month. That's when it clicked for me. This niche isn't a fluke, it's a gold mine. After studying dozens of these channels, I figured out the exact reasons their videos go viral, and I'm about to break it all down for you. Preparing the channel. The first thing you need is a properly branded channel. Here's what I recommend. Step 1. Open up ChatGPT. Since you'll need a name for your channel, just ask ChatGPT to create 10 unique channel name ideas. For example, I asked it to generate names based on an elderly wisdom style channel, and it instantly gave me 10 solid options. Once you've picked a name, the next step is to create a description. I usually ask ChatGPT to write me a simple, human-sounding description. Copy your chosen channel name into the prompt, and within seconds, you'll get a perfectly optimized channel description. Now, let's talk about your logo. Creating the logo, I always recommend using Leonardo AI for this. First, you'll need a logo prompt. Just ask ChatGPT to create an image prompt of something related to your niche. Let's say an elderly couple, but make sure to include that it needs to be logo-friendly. Copy the prompt, paste it into Leonardo AI, and select the Leonardo Phoenix preset for the best results. Set the dimensions to 1 by 1 because that's the logo format. Then, hit generate. In about 10 seconds, you'll have a selection of logos to choose from. And the best part? Leonardo gives out 150 free daily credits, so you don't have to spend a dime. Just download the logo you like most, and your branding is ready. Setting up the channel. Once you've got your name, description, and logo, it's time to officially create the channel on YouTube. I don't need to explain the basic steps of channel creation because that part's straightforward. But what really matters is the SEO setup. Go into your channel settings, then to the channel menu, and look for the keyword section. These keywords are crucial for your channel's visibility. Here's how I optimize mine. I use a free tool called VidiQ. On the left side, there's an AI coach menu. Just ask it to generate a list of perfectly optimized tags based on your channel name. It will give you a strong list of keywords you can copy and paste right into YouTube Studio. With that, your channel will already be fully optimized and branded. Writing a viral script. Now comes the most important part, the script. Without a strong script, your video won't go far, no matter how good the visuals are. But don't worry, I'll show you how I create scripts that are guaranteed to grab attention. First, I look at channels in the same niche that are already going viral. I find their most popular video and copy its link. Then, I head to a free tool called Tactic, paste the link, and get the full transcript of that video within seconds. Once I have the script, I clean it up. I remove timestamps and unnecessary text, then I feed it into ChatGPT. Here's the trick. I ask ChatGPT to write me a completely new original script, but with the same structure as the viral one. For example, I usually set mine to be around 5 minutes long. In about 20 seconds, ChatGPT gives me a polished original script that I can use for my own video. And the beauty is, you can keep generating new versions for future videos. Recording the voiceover. Next, you'll need a voiceover. I personally use a tool called DubDub. Once you open it, you'll see a list of AI voices. You can search by style, filter them, and preview how they sound. I like picking a mature, stable voice because it matches the calm and professional style of my videos. All you need to do is copy your script, paste it into DubDub, remove any section labels or blank spaces, and then hit generate. The AI instantly gives you a natural-sounding voiceover. From there, just export it as an MP3 file. If you want variety, DubDub has multiple voices to choose from, like DNA or Samuel. Both fit perfectly in this niche. Gathering visuals. Now let's talk visuals. Don't worry, you don't need to record anything yourself. I use a site called Vexy to get unlimited stock footage for free. Here's how I do it. I set the filter to video, set the license to free, and make sure the resolution is 4K. Then, I just search for terms like nature, peace, or anything related to my script. Download about 20 videos so you'll have enough clips to loop through the whole video. It only takes a few minutes. Editing the video. For editing, I use CapCut, which is free. Import your voiceover, stock videos, and everything else. Place the voiceover on the timeline, then trim your stock videos down to 5 to 10 seconds each to keep things engaging. I add smooth transitions between clips using the mix option and apply them across all videos. Then I add an adjustment layer. Set the contrast to +15. Add a slight vignette, and instantly the footage looks cinematic. Next, I loop the visuals by creating a compound clip and repeating it until it matches the voiceover length. Add captions using the auto captions feature, then customize the text, make it bold, increase the size, and add a stroke for readability. Finally, add background music. Adjust the volume to around -10 so it doesn't overpower the narration. Use fade in and fade out effects for smoothness. When everything looks good, export the video in 4K at 60 frames per second. And just like that, you've got a professional quality video ready to upload, uploading, and optimizing. Now comes the final step, optimization. When uploading, I use ChatGPT to generate a catchy, click-worthy title and a fully SEO-optimized description. I also ask it to include relevant tags. For thumbnails, I go back to ChatGPT and ask it to create a thumbnail prompt. Then I paste that into Leonardo AI, set the format to 16:9, and generate multiple options. The results are stunning. You'll get professional thumbnails for free. Back in YouTube Studio, upload your video, paste in the title and description, upload your thumbnail, and add all the tags you generated with VidIQ. Make sure to set the video as not for kids, double-check monetization, and then publish. The secret ingredient, consistency. Now listen carefully, this part is important. None of this will work unless you stay consistent. Here's what usually happens. Someone uploads their first video, it doesn't perform well, and they give up. That's why most people fail. But if you keep posting daily, keep improving little by little, and push through those first few slow weeks, your breakthrough moment will come. I truly believe consistency is the difference between failure and success in YouTube automation. So there you have it. You now know how to start your own faceless channel from scratch. Everything from branding, scripting, and voiceovers to visuals, editing, and optimization. I recommend you don't just sit on this knowledge. Take action today, start building your channel, and keep posting until you see results. And if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll be sharing even more strategies, tools, and secrets that can help you grow and monetize faceless YouTube channels. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.